Thanks for joining us, everyone, on this Sunday morning, February 9th. I'm Jordan Jagalinzer. We are in a weather alert as snow falls across much of the state.
And I'm Tiffany Chan. We have live team coverage from Boston and Lawrence. But first, let's check in with meteorologist Jacob Wyckoff. We've been seeing these live pictures, that snow coming down. Plows out there. The roads are pretty messy.
Absolutely, yeah. We continue to track a few snowflakes moving through the area. In fact, we had kind of a brief lull for a few hours. Then the last batch of snow is kind of dropping from the northwest to the southeast. We also have a little bit of a snow burst as you go towards the Cape and Islands. This line that's dropping into Massachusetts as we speak could give us another coating to an inch perhaps. This is definitely not the main push of snow, and this will actually be the last push of snow that we track throughout the morning. I mentioned the Cape and Islands seeing a little bit of freezing drizzle in some locations. Also up towards the Merrimack Valley where we have Christina Rex. She's probably seeing some snowflakes and drizzle. We'll check in with her in just a little bit. Did get a report out of Gloucester with 7 inches of snow. So again, we're tracking the last push of snow moving through the area. This should wrap up by 9-10 in the morning, and we'll see some gradual clearing into the afternoon. Not a ton of sunshine, and also chilly temperatures for the day today. Mid-20s for our current temperatures. We're back into the mid to low 30s south and east of Boston. Our wind chills are on the chilly side, however. Not a ton of wind associated with this storm, so that's a good thing, and also not a big coastal concern. But we do have some cool temperatures. We're in the mid-teens in Boston and Worcester. These are the temperatures you're preparing for as you head out the door to clean your sidewalks, to clean your driveways. We're not going to get a lot of melting done today or over the next couple of days as the snow machine turns off by 9-10 in the morning. We're going to get back into the upper 20s and low 30s and back into the 20s overnight as we start out on Monday. Today, highs north and west of town in the low 30s, perhaps even a couple of upper 20s. Now, I do want to take things out to meteorologist Jason Michael. He's been on Com Ave pretty much all morning. Jason, what are you seeing falling from the sky right now, and have you seen any improvements in the sidewalks and road conditions?
A couple things, Jacob. A couple things. Good morning to you and good Sunday morning, everybody. As I've been here since about 4:30 earlier this morning, I've not only experienced this light rain, not light rain, so this really light snow, peltery type of snow, along with some mist. We had a period roughly about an hour or so ago that really began to taper off. Now it's actually beginning to pick up just a skosh, but also my winds has also dialed up just a little bit as well and coming from a different direction. Now we're actually, that additional band of snow that you were talking about earlier, Jay, I think it actually begins to hit the city roughly about an hour or so, between about that 8:30, 9 a.m. That's going to be the final band for you. I've begun to see for a few more crews come out and do a little bit of extra clearing as well. We've had some workers even come through here on Com Ave, preparing even us for our live shot to get ready to move around. But people are already beginning to get out and sort of walk their dogs for a morning walk this morning. And I've seen some runners come through as well this morning. So let's talk stats, okay, for the city of Boston. Government Center earlier reported about 3 inches. Where I'm located, we have about 3.5. Logan Airport, within the next hour or so, we'll get some fresh numbers from them. I think they'll be right between that 1 to 2. But the city of Boston is behind roughly about 20 inches, or excuse me, about 10 inches or so for where we should be, and more than 20 over in Worcester. So we still have some time to go. And as of right now, we still haven't met our stat of getting a 6+ inch snowstorm. So that's still kind of going on strong. We'll be live here all morning, everybody. I've been working on my snowman a little bit. We'll see how that goes. But over the next 2 hours or so. But again, I'm meteorologist Jason Michael, live on Com Ave in Berkeley this morning with our Chevy Next Weather Road Tracker. Back to you guys.
Jason, thanks so much for that report. Certainly now that the sun is up, it's helping crews. They've been busy clearing several accidents on the road.
So this is a scene in Bourne where you can see a driver spun off the roadway there. Heavy snow coming down. A tow truck was able to pull the car from the ditch. The driver was taken to the hospital. There is no word on the extent of their injuries. We spoke to Highway Administrator Jonathan Gulliver about the steps that crews are taking on the roadways to keep you safe.
We're qualifying this as a pretty manageable winter storm. It's statewide, so you're definitely going to see snow and ice equipment out there on every roadway. But the timing of this, the type of snow that we're getting, really makes it manageable. That means that we can plow it and remove it from the roadway pretty easily. Not like we had just a couple of days ago with the ice storm. This is going to clean up pretty good.
All right, thank you so much. And we will be speaking live with MassDOT later this hour to get the latest on the roads. And that said, it is still important to take it pretty slow if you plan to travel today.
WBZ's Christina Rex picks up our team coverage in Andover this morning. Christina, you were saying that there you've seen 5 inches, maybe plus.
I think we're definitely increasing from there now, Jordan. I heard Jacob mention that I might be seeing some more snow now. He's right. The flakes are definitely thicker than they were earlier in the morning. I actually have some wonderful students here with me, Chloe and Noelle. They're seniors at Phillips Academy boarding school, which is right up the street. Good morning. What do you guys think about all this snow?
Well, I'm choosing to enjoy it because I know it's going to snow no matter what. So I decided I might as well enjoy to make the most of it.
That's a very good attitude. What about you?
Well, we've been getting a lot of snow in the past week, so we've been doing a lot of shoveling on our staircase. So I just know we have a lot of work coming for us.
I have to ask, what brings you to downtown? I'm assuming you walked probably a mile from the high school downtown at 7 a.m. on a Sunday.
Well, we actually live pretty close to downtown,
Okay.
But we're here to go study at Cafe Nero. Yeah.
I think you can be pretty inspiring. They're the first people other than plow drivers or people shoveling that I've seen downtown today. Very impressed by the both of you. Good luck with your studies. Good luck with shoveling. I'm sorry you have to shovel the dorm steps, I assume, at the school. Good luck with everything. Thank you both so much for your time. Just want to give you guys a little bit more of a check on the weather we've been seeing now. I mentioned it earlier. It is that light, fluffy, kind of awesome snow. A little bit of a tougher layer on top now, a little hard, crusty on top now, but the snowflakes are definitely coming down thicker. The plow drivers have been out all morning clearing the roads. Now we are starting to see another layer kind of come onto the roads, but the plow drivers have been out here all morning. You probably hear the plow trucks behind me. So those roads are getting plowed pretty quickly, so you should be good in this area. Last thing, the parking ban in Andover ends at 8 o'clock this morning, so you can't park downtown until then. For now, live in Andover, Christina Rex, WBZ News.
The snow picking up in the Merrimack Valley. Thank you, Christina. Take a look at the driving conditions in Boston. This is Commonwealth Avenue near Boston University earlier. We've seen plows out there clearing the snow, but as you can see, the streets are still pretty coated. And the Boston Public Works Department tells us they are ready for this storm. They have 41,000 tons of salt on hand to treat the roadways, 175 pieces of in-house snow clearing equipment, and more than 800 contractor pieces on standby.